Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to convert a photo to PDF on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Safari browser and go to google.com. In the search bar of Google, write photo to PDF. Then write I love PDF. Tap on the first website and tap select JPG images. Select photo library and here select the pictures or the photos that you want to convert to PDF. You can select one picture or you can select a multiple picture. Then tap add. And now this is the photos that we want to convert it to PDF file. Here you can easily select any picture to be the first picture. Just press and hold and drop and drag it to be the first picture, like this. Great. So then tap convert to PDF. Then tap download PDF. Then tap this icon, scroll down and tap save to files. Then here select your name of your PDF, for example photos. Then tap save. Perfect. Now you save your PDF files. If you want to open your PDF files, just go to Files, Open Files, then tap Downloads, and this is the PDF files. You can open it easy. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you to the next video.